Welcome to the Calculus, a collection of microlectures, video lessons, and sample exercises. Hello! Today, we are going to explore a powerful concept in calculus, the antiderivative. Let's start with its definition and later on some illustrations to some rules and some examples. Let's say we have here a function f of x, right? That's our function here. An antiderivative of this function of our f of x is another function. Okay, so in short, the antiderivative is also a function. Let's label it as f of x using a capital letter F that satisfies the given condition that the derivative of your function f of x with respect to x, or of course also known as this notation here, is just equal to our f of x. Okay, if this is satisfied for every x in the interval, let's say we have here the interval I for both functions, then that means that this function f of x, the capital 1, is considered as the antiderivative of our given function f of x using the lowercase f. Say for example, if our f of x is actually 2x, this is our f of x. One of the functions that would actually be the antiderivative of this given function is, let's say, our f of x here, the capital 1, is x squared. Because when you take the derivative of that f of x, the capital letter 1, we have here 2x, which is equivalent to our assigned f of x earlier. This means this x squared is the antiderivative of our given function f of x assigned to be 2x. Okay, so we are going to look into the particular solutions for this later on, some examples and illustrations, including the rules on antidifferentiation, because we can see here that the antidifferentiation or the antiderivative of a certain function is the reverse operation of our derivatives. Just like subtraction is the reverse operation of addition, division is the reverse operation of multiplication, we have here the antidifferentiation or the antiderivative of a certain function is the reverse operation of the derivative. On the next video, let's try to illustrate the antiderivative of the function before going to some rules. Thank you very much for watching. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now.